you know the routine. First thing I want to show you is if you look at your front page on my website, on the Canvas site, you'll see a schedule here. If you're not sure what you're supposed to be doing for that day, take a look at this schedule. So if you're an A-day student for today, which is Monday, 9/14, you're here in person. B-day students on week 3, day 3, you guys are doing your remote learning for day 3 for week 3. All right, let's go to modules and talk about week 4 though, because that's why we're here. All right, week 4. So as you know, or as you're going to find out, we are doing map testing in person today. So we're not actually doing some in-class lessons. Unfortunately, that's just what we have to do. So we do it this time of year, and we also do it at the end of the year. So it's just twice a year that this is going to happen. So day 3, here are your remote learning instructions for week 4. And this one's going to be kind of a big deal because this is the first time you're going to take an assessment from me online. So you do not need to do extra math. You do not need to do STE math today. What you are going to do is you're going to take a test through Edulastic. Edulastic, here are the directions to get to it. You're going to click on Clever. And then once you get into Clever, you're going to log in. And I'm going to use my buddy here. No, I'm just joking. But I am going to use his account because... So you'll click on My Class, and then you'll click Edulastic. Once you're in Edulastic, it should log you in at some point. Authenticating. And then here, when the time is right, which it's not right now, it will open up and you will see your math test that you need to take. Okay, so in Edulastic, it'll pop up right here. I don't have it open until you're out of school. So that is going to be your day 3 remote. Please take your time, show your work on scrap paper, and make sure that you're doing your best. As always, for a test, you need to make sure that you're working by yourself. You're being honest. You're not getting help. You're not getting any assistance from like a calculator or an older brother or a parent. Do your best. Okay, that's all that we can ask for. Let's go back to modules and let's go to week 3, day 4. Day 4 is where it gets back to normal. So you're going to do your extra math. You're going to do your ST math for 20 to 30 minutes. And then in your packet, you're going to do pages 35 through 45. It says that you're going to show all your work on your pages and you are allowed to check your work with the calculator. It doesn't mean solve it with calculator. It means check your work with the calculator. And finally, I'm going to go to week 4, day 5. Week 4, day 5. First, before you do any of your workbook pages down here on 4, you got your extra math, you have your ST math, and then you're going to go to look at point number 3. It says log into Actively Learn. Actively Learn will be over on your left side. All you're going to have to do is click that, and it should log you in and put you in my class. And then there is something that's called week 4, day 5 mini lesson, packet 2.1 multiplication. It's going to walk you through some examples, some directions. And as I'm going through those, I think it's 9 examples, you need to make sure that you're following along and that you're also doing those examples in your packet. It's going to answer a lot of questions, but if you do still have questions, make sure that you reach out and you ask me. So after you watch that video, then you're going to work on these workbook pages here. All right, guys, that sums it up. All right, if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out and ask me. All right. Peace.